Hi guys, today we talk about Realme GT6. Its launch on June 2024. The Realme GT6 dimensions: height 6.3 inch, width 2.96 inch, thickness 8.6 mm, the weight is 199 gram, and the build: front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The display of Realme GT6: it comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 91.8% screen to body ratio, and the resolution is 1.5K. The refresh rate of Realme GT6: it comes with 120Hz refresh rate with 6000 nits peak of brightness, and the screen protection is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The platform of Realme GT6: it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. The CPU is octa-core with Cortex-X4, and the GPU is Adreno 735. The memory of Realme GT6: it comes with 8 gigs, 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM and 256 512 gigs of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. Let's talk about the camera of Realme GT6. It comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel telephoto and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it records 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera is 32 megapixel and it records 4K 30 fps video. Let's talk about the battery of Realme GT6. It comes with 5500 mAh battery with 120 watt fast wired charging. It cannot support wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The common and the feature of Realme GT6: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speakers, NFC, UFS 4.0, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display and IP65 dust and water resistant. And the price of Realme GT6 is $700.